Today I'm going to be showing you a indicator on TradingView that everyone is talking about. Not just me because it's making me a lot of money, but everybody is now using this because it gives you a signal. It's not just an indicator saying this is the way the price moving, this is what's happening. This is telling you when to buy, when to sell, and it's going to make you a lot of money. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, do this for education purposes only. It's called the Signaler. You can pay a one-time fee of $350 and get access to this forever. That's a lifetime access. Guys, if you want this, you just got to stay to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how. Let's check out the signal. So guys, once you've got access to the indicator on TradingView, okay, it is called the signal, and you can see here, once you've got access to that, and I'll show you how to get that later in the video, you're going to see your setups look like this. Now, on the chart, make sure that you do change the candles up here to the Haikin Ashi. Okay, once you go up here and you click this, it's going to change the candle. It's going to give you a much easier target of a signal. So what is a signal? What exactly is the signaler doing? It's sending you an estimated, educated guess of where they think the market's going to go, and it's pretty accurate. You can see here, start with the last one. We're on Ethereum US dollars. You can use this for any pair you want. Okay, the last one they said was sell. So let's go ahead and see how much this sell would have made. If you sold at this exact candle, okay, and we went all the way down until the market said we're out of here, we would have made a total of 24%. That's huge. Now, you might be thinking, well, where do you put the stop loss? This is how you do it. So where it says sell, all you do is where the red line is above the sell, you will put the stop loss here. You can see it never once touched this red line all the way down to the bottom. So we won that trade like crazy, and you can take the profit whenever you want. The next trade that comes in is this long. Okay, the long came in here, which we're still in. I actually took this trade. You see this candle going up long. Okay, at the height we took about 11, we took about 1%. Okay, as we're going down, the stop loss would be here, okay, on this blue line right below where the long is. So as it goes up, you can change the stop loss to match exactly where this blue line follows. This will always be the stop loss. So right now we're still in profit by, if you never took a profit out, 0.2. So we're absolutely killing it, okay? Absolutely killing it. So this is the easiest way to get one of the indicators that actually makes you money, to get signals that actually make you money, all in one package, guys. I'm going to show you right now how you get this. If you go to Telegram, guys, you're going to see the Signaler VIP link is in the description, okay? You can see people posting their profits all the time, talking 254%, 368%, 1000%, crazy money. And all you have to do is go to the Signaler bot. Okay, once you do this and you join the Telegram, okay, you're gonna see it's gonna offer you different kinds. Now you can see here when I started mine. So if you just press / and start, if it's not already done it for you, it's gonna take you to what option do you want to choose. Okay, so if you choose a lifetime plan, which is what I do recommend, you pay this one time, you never pay a penny again. Okay, click Pay by Crypto is going to take you to the crypto bot. Once you click start, it's going to bring up exactly what crypto you want to use. Now, USDT is probably one of the most popular, that's why I recommend. Okay, choose USDT, pay it, and you now have lifetime access to the Signaler trading, to the Signaler indicator. Okay, these results that you see, you will be getting these as well. These results, guys, are unbelievable. Okay, so you want to be getting involved with this. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Hit the like button, hit subscribe with the bell, be notified. Grab the Signaler today and make some money.